with me today. We're going to take a look at the story titled 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. So this is the story is retold by, so you can write this one as the writer or the author, and then this one is a name for the illustrator. Yeah, and then let us take a look at how many pages this storybook. Okay, again this storybook. This book has, it doesn't stand it. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Alright, you can write 30 pages. Okay, now let us start the story. 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. Alright. One, two, buckle my shoe. This one, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock the door. Knock, knock, knock the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. Pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. Lay them straight. Like this. 9, 10. 9, 10, a big fat hen. This is hen. A big fat hen. 11, 12, Dick and Dwarf. See? Dick and Dwarf. Next one. 13, 14, makes a curtain. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. Maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids a waiting. See? 19, 20, my plate empty. 21, 22, shoe. Fox. The fox over there. So the shoe. Shoe. The fox. 23, 24, home once more. 25, 26, let's get this fixed. 27, 28, fasten the gate here. 29, 30, you are safe now. Gertie. Gertie is a big fat hen here. That's all. Hope you like it. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Bye bye.